Okay. But actually our topic is general dice, correct?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
if it is a standard dice, there are no more questions, sir. That's all. Topic is over. So general dice is our
That's all,
topic.
sir. That's all.
Yeah, in general dice again it is of two types.
Folded
Folded
and
dice and unfolded dice. So
Sir,
in
one
this
minute.
folded and unfolded, we have completed unfolded, correct?
Folded.
Yes or no?
Unfolded. Don't know, sir.
Yeah. We have taken a dice, sir, folded
Yes,
dice, sir,
sir.
and we have unfolded it by cutting edges.
Sir, we didn't complete folded fully. We have to do folded like.
We have to do foldedly now.
Sir, we are doing questions unfolded.
Yes. No. Concept is also not over for folded
No,
dice.
sir. Yes, sir. Concept is also not over for folded.
Okay. You remember this point? Shortcut for unfolded dice.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Instead
Yes, sir.
one
Sir,
step.
sorry, sir. We were doing questions on unfolded it actually. Like
Yes,
there's some
sir,
problem
we were
last
doing
time.
questions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
There's some problem last time.
You remember this point? In strip, one face gap or opposite. So now today I bought a dice also for you. See, if I place this dice like this, how many faces you are able to see?
Four.
Sir.
One.
Four.
Four, sir.
How many faces? Only one.
One, sir.
Sir, I can see one, sir.
This one, right?
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yes.
If I place in this way, how many faces are you are able to
Two.
see?
Two. Dos ka do.
If I place in this way,
Three.
Three.
Sir.
Sir,
Can you
max
see-
we can see only three. Max we can
yes.
see only.
Can you see 4 positions by placing
Okay.
in any direction?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's maximum
That
3.
is impossible. Okay, this is what I mentioned in the last class.
Okay. Sir, this
We
is
can see
folded.
maximum
Folded.
that is folded actually. This is
Okay.
folded dice. And
Ah.
by cutting along these edges, we can separate sides and we can frame like this.
Okay, like
See.
cubes, sir. Means
Yeah, this
in
one.
cube we will separate, no, sir. 6 sides.
Yes,
max.
yes, faces. All the faces are separated, and we are placing on the floor like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here we can use the shortcut. What is the shortcut? One face gap or opposite. So from here, one face gap is
Yes,
this
sir.
one. And from here, one face
Okay.
gap is this one. And remaining two automatically opposite. Okay. Let us do one
Yes, sir.
question here. Try to answer here. @ dollar or rupee and copyright and star and hash.
Sir, at the rate and rupee are opposite.
Yeah,
And
very good. @ and rupee.
Copyright and hashtag are opposite, and
Copyright hashtag, dollar and asterisk.
Dollar and asterisk. Asterisk.
They are automatic. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
@ with the rupee.
Rupee. The
Copyright with
complaint with hashtag.
all.
Dollar with what will say, sir? That symbol?
You can
asterisk.
say star.
Asterisk. Asterisk. Yeah,
Simple, in simple language, you can say star.
yes.
Okay, I am giving one more. See,
Okay, sir. Sir. Sir,
generally
one dot.
you get dice
Sir,
like
one
this,
dot.
right? Market.
Sir, 1354
One,
and
3, 5,
1, 3,
4,
5, 4,
3,
6,
5,
and 2.
4 and 6, 2.
Yes, correct.
6, 2.
So in strip one face gap, we have to see
Yeah.
the one face gap in strip only, and the remaining
Yeah,
will be
sir.
automatically. So these two are opposite. And
And
these
this
two are
side, and these two are opposite.
Here number of dots equal to number. Okay. Number of dots represent number. One is opposite to 3. 5 is opposite to 4, and 2 is opposite to 6. That's all. And tell the answer for this question, and we'll move on to folded
Sir,
type.
A, Y,
A and
B,
Y.
A and
A,
Y,
Y, C, T, and
And
BX.
Y.
Yeah,
C,
so
C and F.
C, T, and BX.
C, T, and B, X.
VX.
B, X, sir.
AY,
A,
CZ,
Y, C, Z, B, Y, B, X.
X. That's all.
Sir,
Okay.
this-
It is very easy. Unfolded
That
is very easy.
unfolded.
Correct?
Sir. This is unfolded, right?
Unfolded. Now we'll see
Easily.
folded.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Here, tell me a maximum how many faces you can see?
3.
So 3, sir.
Okay, this is a solid dice or transparent dice?
Solid.
Solid.
Solid
Solid.
dice. That's why you are able to see only one face. If it is a glass
sir.
dice, you can see all the faces at a time.
Yes, sir.
Transparent.
That is transparent.
Okay, so we can see maximum 3 faces. That's why I'm drawing 3 faces.
Okay, sir. Sir, folded also easy or somewhat tough?
Folded also easy. Folded also easy.
Easy. Okay.
If you use shortcuts, folded also easy. If you don't use shortcut, you have to visualize them.
Sir, you should say no, sir. That short.
Okay, 3, 4, 5. Is it a regular dice or standard dice?
Sir,
Regular
irregular.
dice or general dice?
Irregular.
Irregular.
Irregular or general dice. Yes, correct. How can you say this is
Sir,
irregular?
Sir, I have a
Sir,
doubt.
the
sir.
sum
What
is
regular?
not equal to, like, it should be
Sum
3
is-
and 4.
Sir. Doubt, sir.
Ah,
What
yes.
is regular dice and standard dice?
I already mentioned that point. If opposite numbers equal to 7, sum of opposite numbers is
Okay,
equal to
okay.
7,
Okay.
then it's a standard dice.
Okay.
But see, 3 is able to see. Can you see both opposite faces at a time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Only one.
That point also we have written in the last class, I think.
Yeah, sir.
Where is it?
Yes,
this
we
is
have
the-
written that.
both opposite faces we cannot see at a time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but here we are able to see 3 and 4 at a time. Their sum is 7.
Yes,
So
sir.
the 2 numbers we are able to see whose sum is 7 means we can say this dice is a standard dice. This
Sir,
dice
means
is
one doubt, sir. One doubt, sir.
tell.
3 and 4, 7 we got, sir. If we take 5 and 4, so 9, no, sir. Means it is this. What is this? General dice, sir. 5 and 4.
That is not based on 5 and 4. It is based on 3 and 4 only.
Okay.
If you are able to see 3 means you cannot see 4
Yes, sir.
because it should be the opposite side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now tell me what is the number opposite to 5 here?
3.
What is the number opposite to 5?
Sir, we need
Either
one more.
2,
case.
1
One
or
more.
2, 1 or
Sir, we
6.
need, sir, we need one more case. Like they
Okay,
should
for
give us
this,
one more case.
suppose this is the only dice given.
Sir, 2,
Then-
1 or
then,
6.
sir, then we can tell possibilities.
You can tell
Yes, sir,
possibilities.
2, 1
You
and
cannot
6.
say the confirmed answer, correct?
2 and 6,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2 and 6.
2, 1,
Possibilities
6.
are 2
1,
and
6.
2 and 6.
1, 6.
1 and 6. Yes, these are the 3 possibilities. What is the number opposite to 3?
3, 4.
Sir, 2, 1 or 6. Again.
2 or 1 or 6 again. Okay.
Uh,
What is the number opposite to 4?
Again,
Yes,
2,
same.
1,
2, 1, 6.
2 and 6.
2 or 1 or 6. Okay. What is the number opposite to 1?
3, 4.
5, 3 or 4.
5, 3 and 4.
5, 3 or
5
4.
or 3 or 4 or 2 or 1. All these comes.
One.
Ah,
Sir,
sir.
6.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Ah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why not?
No. No.
No.
So how,
It should be only 5,
no,
3,
how 2 and
5,
6
3 and
come?
4 because 2, 1 and 6 are like on the same, like adjacent to each other.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Just tell me, all these 3 numbers are adjacent or not?
Adjacent, sir.
If these 3 are adjacent, automatically the remaining 3 also adjacent.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means the 2, 1, 6 also adjacent. So one opposite cannot be 2 or 6. One opposite
Yes,
cannot
sir.
be 2 or 6. These are the 3 possibilities. And here we can say the visible numbers, unknown visibles are possibilities for opposite numbers. And for unknown,
Sir, generally, do they ask these possibilities?
no, they will not ask these possibilities. They will give 2 positions. For a single dice, they will give 2 positions. I have given only 1 position here. They will give 2 positions.
Sir, means can you give a question like that? Once can you give? Example.
We'll go to that model also. Just wait. And tell me the number opposite to 2 here.
Sir,
Sir,
5, 3, 4.
5, 3, 4.
5 or 3 or 4.
5,
And
3, 4.
number opposite to 6 is
5, 3,
5,
4
3,
again.
4.
5, 3, 4. So here, what is our final conclusion? Here we cannot say the definite answer. We can give possibilities only. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
All are possibilities. For visible numbers, invisible numbers are possibilities. For invisible numbers, visible numbers are possibilities.
So one doubt here, sir. It's not
Yeah,
given
sure.
in the question that it is 1 to 6, right? Then, sir,
Compulsory
it
he
is,
has to give.
yes, sir. Like, if there's no thing such as 1 to 6 given in the question, and there are like different possibilities, then which one we should choose? Like, some are above 1 to 6 also.
Yes. That's why he has to mention compulsory. So sometimes he may mention the elements are 2, 9, 7, 3, 4, 5. Now for these dice, suppose if I have given these elements, what is the number opposite to 3?
So 9.
It can be 2 or 9 or 7 because these three are available.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if he has not mentioned these elements, we can consider it as 1 to 6 only. Generally, he will mention for this type of question.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, I'll
If
give
we say
two
opposite,
questions.
just one doubt, that same question, sir. If they are 1 to 6 earlier, 2, what is the opposite of 2 means? What we should write, sir?
Sorry.
In that same question only, maximum you told they will
Okay.
ask 1 to 6 only, no, sir.
Yes.
If they ask 2 opposite, we should write 4 and 5, no, sir.
No. 3 or 4 or 5. This is already
Okay.
written here. 2
Okay.
opposite is 3 or 4 or 5.
Okay. And
Okay. Now we have seen one dice, one position. Now we are going to see one dice, two positions. One dice, two positions. In this one dice, two positions, we can again categorize. Number one model with one number common. One means a single number common. One number common. With one number common. Yeah, try to answer this. Consider this as a dice, okay? Here the numbers are like 3, 4, and 5, 3, 6, and 1. Now tell me, what is the number opposite to? What is the number opposite to 5?
so 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, 4, 1, 6.
Sorry?
3 and 4 and 1.
So 6. So 6.
Somebody is telling 6 and somebody is telling 3 or
3 or 6.
3 or 4?
3 or 6, sir.
3 or 6.
So it can be no, sir. It actually can be 1 or 6 actually. 1 or 6.
1 or 6. All these are the
1 or
options.
6, sir.
Sir, only one, sir. It's
Only one, sir.
Only
Okay,
one.
this is option A, this is option B, this is option C. 3
Sir, only
options.
one.
are there.
Only one.
So I guess it's option C. 1 or 6.
Sir,
Because
it's
we do
option
not know.
Sir,
Okay,
it's only one,
Ah.
sir.
Option 1,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Option 1.
Because it's flipped 2 times. All the numbers which are there in the first one are not seen in the second one, so it's 2 times flipped.
Okay. Okay. Right. Very good. Correct. Your analysis and your visualization is correct. And let me explain. Here only one number is common. What is that common number?
3.
3.
3, sir. 3.
And luckily that 3 is given in front face only. In both the cases, front face is given. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And here we can rotate or we can flip one dice. Any one dice, either first or second, we can flip. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes, sir.
flipping this first dice. I'm rolling. I'm rotating this. If you rotate this one time, what will be top number? Actually, top number is 5. It comes to right side. Correct?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And
3
right
will
side
be
number
at
is
top.
4. It comes to bottom.
The bottom.
Okay.
And 3 will go to the top. sir.
If you rotate it again, then right side number will comes to
Down,
Yeah,
bottom.
bottom.
and bottom number
Down.
will go to
Left.
Top.
Top.
Left.
left. How it can go to top directly in one step? It is not possible.
Ah,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first time 5, so 4 comes to bottom, 5 comes to right, and second time flip 4 comes to left and 5 comes to bottom. 2 times flip, 2 times rotation. Okay. Now see these two positions. For the same number 3, what is the top number? What is the
5.
top number?
Sir, 1 and 5.
No,
One
here
sir.
5 is not
So
there.
it will be
After
1 and
rotation.
5.
Only, sir, 1.
Top number is 1 and
One.
bottom number is 5. These two are opposite. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for the same number 3, right side number is
6.
6. Left side number is?
4.
So these two are opposite. So 1 is opposite to 5 and another pair 6 is opposite to
4.
4. And what is opposite to 3?
2.
Yeah, how can you say it is 2?
So that's left.
Yeah, that is
That is
remaining.
left side.
Yes, we can say in another way, as long as we are seeing 3, that number will not be available, will not be visible, correct? Because it is hidden behind.
Yes, sir.
So that number will be 2. That's the answer. And that's the visualization method.
That means opposite of 5 is
so
1.
here the answer is 6.
Sir, is there
What's the
any
number
shortcut
opposite?
for?
Sorry, it is
Sir,
not
is there
6
any
also.
shortcut for this?
I'll give the shortcut. So here all the options are incorrect. Option D is the answer, correct?
1.
What is the option
Yes,
D?
sir.
1.
Yes.
It will be 1.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can
let us see
simple
the
is that.
shortcut.
Yeah, we can say simple is that. You kept all top all in the side. We can say direct in the side, 5 and 1.
Okay, let us see the shortcut. I'm writing the question again. 3, 4, and 5. And here numbers are 3, 1, and 6. Sir. Okay. What is the common number in both the numbers? Sorry, both the positions?
3.
3. So from that 3, you have to write the path. So when we are moving either clockwise or anti-clockwise, anyone is okay. But if you move clockwise in one dice, another dice also you have to take clockwise. If you move anti-clockwise in one dice, you have to take another dice also you have to take anti-clock only. Okay. So in first dice, what is the journey? Tell me. After 3, what number we are getting in first position?
4.
No, in clockwise. Here it is already written.
5 for
Arrow mark
3.
is
5
there.
for 3.
5.
5 for 3.
From 3. Tell me from 3.
Okay.
3. After 3, 5.
6, 5, 6, 5, 4.
First dice we are writing. First dice we are writing.
4.
3, 5, 4. Okay. In second dice, what is the path?
3, 1, 6.
3, 1,
3,
6.
1,
3,
6.
1, and 6. I think answers are ready. 6 and 4
sir.
are opposite. 5 and 1 are opposite. And 3 and the remaining number is opposite. What is the remaining number?
3, 2.
So 2.
Got it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
like if we take 3, 4, and 5, then we have to mention 3, 6, and 1.
Yes. In one dice it is 3. Yes. If you take anti-clockwise, okay, I'll show that one also. If this is anti-clock and this is also anti-clock. If that is the case, in first dice the journey is 3. Tell me, anti-clock direction.
So
After
3,
3, 4,
4,
and then 5. And in second dice from 3, journey
3,
is
6, and 1.
6 and 1. So that's all. Again, answers are ready. 5 and 1 opposite. 4 and 6 are opposite. 3 and the remaining number is opposite. Okay. 3 and the remaining number is 2.
So, sir, we are rotating it like on the Z axis or on the X axis?
No, don't compare this with axis. Simply, so we have to take the path either clockwise or anti-clockwise. That's all. From the common number. Either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you decide one, you have to use completely on that thing only. If you decide clockwise, you have to take clockwise only in both the positions. If you decide anti-clock, in both the positions, anti-clock. So how much you understood? Let me know.
So, sir, like it's moving like 3
now
will
good.
go to the
Then now-
right side, then it will go to the back side, like that, or it's moving like
No.
4 will go
It
to
is
the top
not
and 5
moving
will go to the
anywhere.
left.
Here, Here it is not moving anywhere. Here just we are using shortcut. We are taking that path either clockwise or anti-clockwise.
So
The
this is
dice, we are not
inverted
disturbing the dice. Okay. Okay, here tell me. We'll take clockwise or anti-clockwise? 1 second, 1 second.
So that's what
Here
it
is
is.
also 3 only. That's why I'm taking another number. 4. Okay. How many numbers are common here?
So one.
Sir, only
How many
four.
numbers are common?
So 4.
Only one number
No,
is
only
common, that is
one,
1.
Yes, sir. 1.
Oh,
Okay. So from that one, we'll
Only
move in clockwise or
numbers.
anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Clockwise.
Okay. Let us move anti-clockwise. This is the path.
Okay.
And from
The
here,
4, 6, 5.
let us move
6,
anti-clockwise.
4,
This is
6, 5.
4, 3, 1.
5. In another
And we
Four,
have
dice,
six, five, four, 3, 1.
4,
4,
3,
3, 1.
4, 3, 1. So that's all. 5
5,
and 1
1,
are
6,
opposite.
3, 4, 4.
6 and 3 are opposite. And
And
4
four,
and the
four.
remaining number is how much?
4, 4.
2 is the remaining number. Got it?
Why only we should take 2, sir? Okay, okay, understood.
Remaining number.
Sir,
Second, please
can
show
you
it.
scroll up? Can you scroll
Second,
up?
please show the clockwise and anti-clockwise motion on the cube you have.
You can do that experiment later.
Sir,
Okay.
but why have you taken 2 only in place of 3? You have taken 2, and in place of 4 also you have taken 2.
Sorry?
I'm asking that you have taken 3 here also, and you have taken, sorry, 2 here also, and 2 down also. Why?
It comes by default. It came. Suppose. Okay. Just wait.
because that's the number left.
Where is my
1,
mouse?
2, 3. Oh, understood, sir, understood.
Okay. Suppose it is. Sometimes it is stuck in. I'm using eraser, but it is using pen. What to do? Okay. Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 4 and here also 4 and the remaining number. You're asking for the remaining number. Okay, if I use 2 here. Now tell me. Now tell me the path.
4 to 5, 3, 4, 3, 1. 4 to 5.
4, 3, 1.
So in first dice, the path is 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, and 5. This is the path. This is the way.
Yes, sir.
Next, in another dice, it is 4, 3,
4,
1. 4, 3, 1.
Yeah.
So here 5 and 1 are opposite, 2 and 3 are opposite, and another, what is the remaining number here?
4 and 2.
4 and
No.
6.
2 is
6.
already there.
6,
Remaining
sir.
number
6.
6 is
Four.
remaining.
6
Now
is
is it
remaining.
okay?
Oh, yes, sir.
Number which is not there out of 1 to 6, number which is not there in that set. Okay. Right. What is this case?
Clockwise.
One dice, 2 positions are given. One dice, 2 positions are given with one number common. Yes or no? What if 2 numbers are common? Let us see that case also. Second case I'm taking with 2 numbers common. 2 numbers means it is not number 2. 2 numbers. 2 numbers common. Try to answer this question. All of you be ready.
Always ready, sir.
Mhm. Very good. 3, 4, and 5. Then 3, 4, and 6. Now tell me, what is the number opposite to 6?
Sir, 5.
Sir,
What is the
5.
number?
Will be 5, sir.
5, sir.
What is the number opposite to 3?
Sir, 4 is 3, 3 is 4. Opposite of 3 is 4. Opposite of 4 is 3.
Mm.
Opposite of 6 is
The
5.
opposite of 6 is 5. Opposite of
6 is
Opposite of
5,
6
sir.
is 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it,
Yeah, sir.
is it 5?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next,
4 is
4
3,
and
sir.
2, sir.
4 and 2, sir. Sorry, 4 and 2.
the 1 or 2, sir, I guess.
Right.
Hey, can be 1 or 2
Can be
One
either.
or two, sir.
1 or 2
One or
Can
also.
be 2 or 1.
1 or 2.
Two
2
or
or 1.
Okay.
Can be 1 or 2.
Yes, yes. Very good. Very good.
And for 3
Someone-
also the same thing. 1 or 2.
Some
1 or
people
2
are
also.
on the track only, some people. Okay. Okay, right. See, here also we can use rotation concept. Because 3 is, luckily 3 is there in front. By keeping 3 constant, 3 fixed, we can flip this, either 1 or 2. We can flip any one. So I think here 1 flip is enough. Yes or no? After flipping, after rotating 1 time, so 4 comes to, this 4 comes to,
Right side.
yeah, 4 will not be on the top, it will be on the right, and 5 will be on the
Bottom.
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 Under.
So now see, for the same dice, 3 and 4 on the right side, here also 3 and 4 on the right side. Top number is
6.
6, bottom number is 5.
Five.
That's all. Those two are opposite. 6 and 5 are opposite. So what about 4? Opposite to 4 is?
So 2 or 1.
The 2 or
Why we cannot say 2 or 1? Why we cannot confirm any one between these two? Because
So
in
because
both
they
positions
didn't
we
show
are
the
able to
number.
see 2 numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
As
they
long
didn't
as
show the
3
number.
and 4 are visible, these 2 numbers will not be visible. So we can say 3 and 4 are opposite to 2 and 1, but we cannot say which number is opposite to which one.
Yes, sir.
Confirmly we cannot say. Possibilities we can say. Yes or no? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
And for 3 also the same case. 2 or 1 or 1 or 2, anything is okay. So here what is our conclusion? So in this case, some confirmed, but some possibilities. Some confirmed and some possibilities. So let us write one shortcut point for this confirmed case. So tell me any shortcut point by observing the 2 positions of the dice. Yes,
For 4 and 3.
sorry.
Sir,
Huh.
for 4 and 3.
Yeah, for these 2 dice positions, give any shortcut point.
Sir, for opposite of number 4, the number which are not given.
No. Shortcut means it should be applicable for all other questions also, next questions also,
Sir,
not only for
I
this
think,
question.
I think the number which is not given.
Okay. I'm saying, see here, if one dice 2 positions, 2 positions are given with 2 numbers common. If 1 dice 2 positions are given with the 2 numbers common, then can I say uncommon numbers are opposite? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in first dice, what are the numbers? 3, 4, and 5. In second dice, what are the numbers? 3, 4, and 6. These 2 numbers are common. Ignoring these 2, uncommon numbers are opposite. Okay. Uncommon numbers are opposite. Yes. And we have seen till now 1 dice 2 positions with 1 number common and 2 numbers common. And we'll see what if 3 numbers are common. What is there on the chart box?
So if 3 numbers are common, then with the same thing, right? Same dice, like both the sides.
Yes. Yes, very good. Same dice only we are using, but same position. You have to say it is same position.
Yes, sir. Same position.
We are using same dice, but different positions in different positions. Suppose if it is 3, 4, and 5, and if it is 3, 4, and 5, Now tell me what is the number opposite to 3?
Sir, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are 6.
Yeah, 1 or
The
2 or
possibility.
Are 6.
Three,
Possible.
1, 2 or 6.
1, 2, 6.
Possible.
4 opposite,
Sir, same
1, 2
thing
or
as
6.
the
Same, sir.
5 opposite.
Same,
Same.
Same,
sir.
sir.
same thing as the 2 dice one.
Yeah. Yes. So if one dice, two positions are given with 3 numbers common, with 3 numbers common, we can say it's a single position. Yes or no? With the 3
Yes, sir.
numbers, common.
Sir, is it the same dice?
Yes, same dice only. Every time
Yes,
it
sir.
is same dice only.
Sir, if both the positions are of the same dice, then 5 is opposite to 5, according to the diagram.
No. I'm saying it is same dice, sir, in different positions. That's all. Okay. Okay. What you are thinking, I'll confirm it. See. Okay, eraser. Okay, see. 4, 5, 5, then it is 3. Now tell, are these two dice are same position or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so in the two dice, 2 numbers common way. Sir, so in that we have to not see the path, right? We can just cancel out the common numbers, right?
Yes, correct. Simply by cancelling common numbers, means by ignoring common numbers, uncommon numbers are opposite.
Okay,
Suppose
sir.
if he is asking for common number only, we have to say the possibilities. Remaining 2 possibilities. So because here 4 is common number, we are giving 2 possibilities. Here 3 is common, that's why we are giving possibilities. Because 6 is not a common number, directly we are saying.
So I have a doubt regarding this.
Tell.
So what if it's only one number that is common, not both 2 numbers?
That is already covered.
Oh, okay. I think I missed it. Okay, sorry, sir.
For this case only, we are getting all confirmed. Here our final conclusion is all are confirmed. Okay. 1 number common, 2 numbers common, then 3 numbers common. Here I am writing the point. What is the point is with the 3 numbers common, this is exactly same as 1 position only. 1 dice 1 position only. Yes or no? Means whatever the conclusion is there for 1 dice 1 position, the same conclusions for this also. Yes. Next, suppose what if 3 positions are given? Just tell me, minimum how many positions are required to get all the answers confirmly?
Sir, 2.
Yeah, minimum we need 2 positions.
And maximum 6.
Yeah, minimum we need 2 positions to say definite answers, to find confirmed answers.
Sir, and maximum will be 6.
Maximum will be in any number. Okay, you are saying possibilities.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maximum it will be 6 only. No. 6 numbers are there, 6 positions are there. I think it is 6 for 6.
12.
6 positions are there, means 6 phases are there, and 6 numbers are there in each phase. In how many different ways you can place them? I think it is 6 factorial or 6 power 6, anyone. Okay, leave that. We'll see that point in probability.
Okay, sir.
Minimum we need 2 positions to find confirmed answers. And what are the 2 positions which is easy for you to confirm, to find all our confirmed answers? In
The
which
front
case?
and top.
The
The
only
front
one
and top.
number common.
Yes,
Only
one number common. Suppose if he has given 3 positions or 4 positions, 3 positions or 4 positions or 5 positions, likewise 100 positions or any number he may give, any number of positions he may give.
Sir,
And
2
in those
number common
positions,
is also easy.
yeah, 2 number common is also easy, but there is only 1 confirmed pair. Remaining 2 pairs are not confirmed.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this case only we are getting all the 3 confirmed. Okay, if he may give 3 positions or 4 positions or 5 positions, any number of positions he may give, we need to select just 2 positions. Select 2 positions which comes under this shortcut. Okay. If you are not able to get 2 positions with this shortcut, you can go to that one, second one. What is that second? 2 numbers common. Okay. Got it? Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And otherwise we can say possibilities. That's all. Right. We are moving on to the exercise.
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
sir, is it possible to find out the numbers when no numbers are common?
Okay, I forgot that also. Yes, no number common. If no numbers are common, then if no
So any
number.
number can be.
So possibilities
Any
again.
number can be.
Okay, 1 second. If no number is common, I'm giving one example. Like
You
3.
gave an example. Sir. Okay.
And
So
1.
2 dice is.
Now tell me here, what is the number opposite to 3?
So 1, 6, and 4.
So 1, 6 or 4?
1, 6, and 4.
Very good. 1 or
1, 6 or 4.
6. Okay, see, if no number is common means this dice I'm seeing from this corner. One time I'm seeing from this corner. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It can be, sir.
Yes, sir.
And another time I'm seeing in this corner, which is exactly opposite to the previous corner.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means it is also equal to the single position only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is same as 1 position only. So 1 position means whatever the numbers are there in this dice in first position, all the second position are opposite possibilities. For second position, first position are opposite possibilities. That's all. Like for this dice, these numbers are invisible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
for these dice, these numbers are invisible. So likewise, we can conclude like 1 position only. So overall, we are getting only 1 case in which we can confirm all the answers. Right.
Okay, sir.
See, here the question is, on the basis of 2 positions of dice, so find the number. Sorry, what number will be on opposite face of number 5? 5 opposite. So first decide 1 number is common or 2 numbers are common?
1 number.
1 number.
1 number is
common.
common. What is that common number?
3.
So from 3, I'm writing the path. Chal, either we'll take clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
In both the cases, we have to take clockwise only. In first dice, positions are
3, 6, 4.
3, 6, and 4. Okay. Second
3,
dice
1, and 5.
3, 1, and 5. He is asking for only 5. So that's why answer is
4.
got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see here, even for 1 number common also, we are wasting some extra time writing all these things. Okay. Without writing all these things, so how can you say the answer is?
Sir, if it isn't right, then the
So we can just rotate the dice once.
if it isn't top,
That's all.
so we can.
No need of rotation, right side or left side, or clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Yes,
Just
sir.
tell me, what is the common number here?
3.
So 3.
3,
He's asking for opposite number of which one?
5.
5.
Just tell me from 3, 5 is a clockwise first number or anti-clock first number?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Another is anti-clock first number is
4.
4. That answer is
4.
So same thing, sir.
without writing these points,
Yes, sir.
you can say the answer like that. So from the common number, if the given number is, if the asked number is the right side, we have to see the right side in another dice. If it is on the left side, we have to see the left side on another dice. Suppose if he is asking for what is the number opposite to 3 for this question, what is the number opposite to 3?
Possibilities.
No.
Oh, sorry, it's 2.
Yeah, number which is not there in these 2 positions.
Yes,
Yes,
2.
sir,
1,
yes,
2, 3. 2 is not.
Yes or no? Because 3 is there in both the positions. Number
Yes,
which is not there in both the positions is 2. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. So from next question onwards, you should not write that path also. Directly we can
Yes.
say. So here, how many positions are given?
Sir, 4.
4 positions. But we need how many positions?
2.
2 are enough. He is asking for what is the number opposite to 3 dots. So which 2 positions will take? First 2 or first and third or first and fourth or 2 and 3 or 3
You
and 4?
can take second
First
and
and
fourth.
third, sir. Sir, first and third, sir.
Yeah. Suppose as it told, I'm taking first and third. First and third comes under which category?
The two
One
common.
number.
Two number.
Yeah,
two common
excellent.
number.
First
Two
and
numbers,
third.
sir.
Yeah, first and third is excellent. Why? Because 2 numbers are common, uncommon numbers are opposite, and the 3 dots is an uncommon number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here the uncommon number is 5
5.
because 6 and 4 are available in both the dice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can take any other positions also. Which position will take?
We can
Sir,
take
1 and
second
2.
and
Sir,
fourth.
could you do 1 and
So
2?
we can take 2 and 4 if we want.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose
second
if
and
it is 1 and 2. If it is 1 and 2, which case?
1 and 3.
Uncommon.
Sorry.
No,
One
we
is
cannot take 1 and 2.
uncommon.
Wait. We cannot take 1 and 2 because
So 3 and 4 are common, right?
3 and 4 are common, but it is in possibilities now. 3 is in possibilities.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't take 1 and 3. Sorry, 1 and 2. Next, 1 and 4 or 2 and 4?
2 and
So
4.
2 and
sir,
4 we
and
can take.
four.
Two
Let
and-
us try with the 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 3 is the only common number. No, 2 and 4 also will not give the answer. It will give possibilities because there are 2 numbers common and our number is there in common numbers. It is not uncommon number.
Yes,
2 and
sir.
4 is also not better, not
Sir, can you
such.
explain?
What we need to what I have to explain?
Second
2 and
and
4.
fourth. Yes, sir.
Okay, in 2 and 4 the numbers are
Two
first dice
common.
numbers are
Two common.
just to tell me the numbers in first dice.
1, 3 and 4.
1, 3 and 4. In second dice
1, 3 and 2.
1, 3 and 2.
3.
So it comes under which category? 2 numbers common. If 2 numbers are common, we'll ignore that common numbers and we can say this one as the pair. But here the question is 3 dots, right? So 3 dots comes to possibilities. It is possibility and it is a definite answer, confirmed answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Next, we'll go to another question. Suppose one number common is available here. One number common, first and fourth. Yeah, if you take first and fourth, only one number is common. What is that number?
3.
3.
3. Number which is not there in first and fourth is?
4.
No, 4 is there in first. Number which is
Five,
not there in
five,
first
one,
and
sir.
fourth.
5.
5. That's all. 5 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. Next question. Which number is on the face? 4. If 4 positions are, is on the face. It is not on the face. Which number is on the opposite face? Opposite face of 4. If 4 positions are given. Okay. 4 opposite is. We'll take which positions?
First
1 and 2 is
fourth.
enough, I think.
Yes, sir.
1 and 2.
1 and 3.
Even 1 and 2 also. In clockwise first number or anti-clock first
Sir,
number?
1 and 3 both have 2 numbers common.
And 1 and 2 also.
Okay. You can take as your wish.
Yes, sir. We
In
can 1 and 3 also.
Okay. In 1 and 3, what are the common numbers?
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Other than 5 and 6, 1 and 4 are opposite, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So he's asking for 4 means we can
So
say
1 is
answer as
opposite.
1.
anyone is okay. So here anti-clock first number is 4. In this anti-clock first number is 1.
1.
Sir, so for 5 it's 2, right?
Sorry. If for 5 and 6. Okay. If the question is 5.
Yes, sir.
If the question is 5, you take
Sir, it will be 2 then, right?
2 and
No, sir.
yeah. If the question is 5, if the question is opposite number of 5, we can take first and second because
Yeah.
all the numbers are confirmed here. Only one number common. Using these two, we can give all confirmed case. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, in 1 and 2, only 5 is common means number which is not there in 1 and 2 is 3.
3. Yes.
So 5 is opposite to 3. Okay. Right. Next question. Question is, what is the number opposite of 6? We cannot take 1 and 2 because along with
2
6,
and
2
4.
is also common.
Sir, we can take 1 and
Sir,
3.
is it for general dice or standard dice? Sir?
We can take 3.
So, sir,
Only 6 is common. Number which is
1.
not there in 1 and 3 is
1.
1. That's all.
Yes.
Okay, your wish, your wish. You can take any one. Next. Okay, here. What should be in place of question mark? No, this is not a correct question. Okay, let us try. First and second comes under which category?
One number common.
Only one number
One
common.
number
Just
common.
tell me the path. 3 is opposite to
3, 2, sir.
2. Okay.
Yes.
Next. So 1 is opposite to clockwise first number.
5.
5.
5.
5.
And 6 is opposite to.
4.
So here he had given 2 and 4. He had given 2 and 4 means the third place can be filled by any
Five.
one of these two numbers.
Yes, sir.
No,
I
no,
think one.
any one of these two. It can
Okay.
be 1 or 5.
Okay, sir.
Because they are not opposite, they should be adjacent only. Okay. So answer for this question is 1 or 5. So here options are not given. Actually answer is 1 or 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Here also the same question. What should be in place of question mark? So from first and second, we'll find the opposite pairs. Yeah, only 2 is common. So from 2, I'm taking clockwise. Here also clockwise. Tell me, 2 opposite number?
6.
6. 4 opposite? First and
One.
second?
1.
1. And 3
One.
opposite? 5.
5.
5.
So here in third dice, which numbers are given? 1 and 6 are given. 1 and 6 are given means, so these two are not possible in place of question mark, but these two can be. So either 3 or 5. So here there should be one more option like E, either B or D. Either option B or option D. Both are correct. Okay. Next question. Here is also question mark place only. Here also will get possibilities only. Okay, you can do it later, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, it's a mixed question. Mixed means if this unfolded dice is folded, then which of the following will be?
F is equal to B, E is equal to C, A is equal to D.
The box that can be formed by folding the unfolded dice. How to answer this question? First, tell me that point.
So one gap difference, and then what is remaining? It'll be the opposites. Like here, F and E, E and C,
Okay.
and A and D are opposites.
Sir, it cannot be
Okay.
optional.
From that point, what you are saying?
So from the point, we have to keep one place gap, and then we can get the opposite. Yeah, for E and C, and whatever is remaining, they both are opposites.
Okay, I'm writing opposite pairs first. F and B, E and C, and A and D. These are opposite. These are opposite pairs. Okay, here it is better to eliminate the options. It is better to eliminate the options. Options in which it is going upward. I'm writing again F and B. Here, F and B. So see here, all the 3 places are adjacent or not? In every option, all the 3 places are adjacent or not?
Yes, sir.
Adjacent means opposite faces cannot be adjacent. So here, if you see the first option, actually F and B are opposite, but we are able to see both at a time. This cannot be the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we are eliminating? Actually, they are opposite, but given adjacent. That's why this is eliminated. Option B can be or cannot be?
It can
Yes,
be.
sir. Option B, it can be.
Option
Can
B
be
is the
because
answer, sir.
E is there and C is not there. F is there and B is not there, and D is there and A is not there. That's why it can be the answer. And we'll verify the third also. Option C. Option C
No, sir.
cannot be because of
So E and C are
E
there.
and C
E
are
and C. And option
And for
D,
D, DNA are there.
DNA are there.
because of A and D, this is also cancelled. Then answer is option B. Optional elimination is best here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll do one more question with the same idea. Here we can find the opposite pairs easily. That's why I'm taking opposite pairs first. Circle is opposite to triangle. Square is opposite to heart. Then, and diamond is opposite to what we call that?
3.
Tree. Okay, I'm trying in this way. All right, tell
So I think
how to eliminate the
option
options.
B.
First option can be or cannot be?
Sir, cannot be.
Cannot be because of what? Yeah, these
So
two.
circle and triangle.
Sir,
Circle and
circle and
triangle.
triangle.
Cancel. Second option can be or cannot be?
Can be, sir.
It can be, sir.
Can be. Okay. Third option
Cannot be, sir,
Sir,
because
cannot
of
be, sir.
cannot
heart
be because
and
of
heart and square.
Heart and
square. Heart and square. Yes, because of these two.
Sir,
Cancel.
but how
fourth
hard
term?
and square?
Cannot be
the
because
fourth
of
one
these.
because of 3 and
Sir, can you
yeah.
explain?
Sorry.
Can you explain me this C wala?
Okay, I'm explaining C. Which one? C.
Yes, sir.
See, these two are opposite actually. Here you are able to see both at a time, square and the heart shape. So how can you see both opposite faces at a time? That's why it cannot be the answer.
It should be one gap, right?
There should be one gap means we cannot say one gap positions at a time. We cannot see. We cannot see one gap positions at a time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's already 4:57. I thought we'll start cubes also today, but it is not possible. See, the same question. If you fold this dice, what will be the
So
unfolded
the question
picture?
is not C.
Sorry?
I cannot see the question.
That is what I'm telling. If you fold this dice, what will be? Okay.
Dot and blank. What is this blank?
1 second. Okay. Now you can see the complete question. Yeah, see. These are empty. Empty means plain. How can you say? These two are opposite. Dot with
0 with
plain.
last one plain.
0 also with
Plain.
Plus and
plain.
plain.
Sorry, plain.
And plus and plain.
And even plus also with plain only.
The plus is with
So
the 0, right?
Sorry. Plus is with 0. No, these two positions are opposite. Okay. Even plus is also with the plain only. So here I can say one point. What is the point is all the three planes can be adjacent. Just tell me that point. All the three planes can be adjacent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
the three symbols can be adjacent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First option can be or cannot be.
Sir, cannot be.
Cannot.
Why cannot be? Along with the plus, these two planes can be.
Yes, sir. It can be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is possible. Second option can be or cannot be.
Cannot
Can be,
be.
sir. Can be, sir.
Can be.
Can be,
Because along with these two can be this plane.
Yes,
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Third option can be or cannot be.
can be, sir. Because
Can be.
this
Fourth
can be.
option.
It can
Yes,
be.
sir, it can be.
Then
Can be.
answer option is
1, 2, 3, 4 hour.
D. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4 also possible.
Sir,
That's all. These are the questions.
Time up, sir. Still 1 minute.
Time is up. Okay, I'll send this PDF today only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Leave.
are you sending this PDF in Google Classroom?
No. I'm sending in WiseApp only. WiseApp. 1 second, I'll show it.
Sir, at resources, sir.
In WiseApp resources.
Yeah.
Are you able to see this screen now?
It's white color.
No, correct?
Now it's
Yes, sir.
Now you
Stop.
stop screen sharing, sir.
Ah, yes. My laptop is somewhat lower configuration. i3 only.
Sir, I think you got stuck.
Sir, anyways, time up.
Yes. Every day at this time only survive. So can we leave?
Should we leave the class?
Most probably yes.